Have you ever grabbed a drain snake hoping to save a few bucks, only to find yourself in an even bigger mess? It may seem like a quick fix, but using a snake on clogged drains can actually cause more harm than good. Stick around, and I'll explain why this DIY method can backfire, and what you should do instead to truly fix the problem. When your sink or shower drain clogs up, reaching for a snake might feel like the best option. But here's the thing, drain snakes don't always solve the issue. They can actually make it worse. The problem with snakes is that they often only punch a small hole through the clog, offering temporary relief without fully clearing the debris. In some cases, they push the clog further down the line, leading to an even bigger blockage. Worse yet, using a snake incorrectly can damage your pipes, especially if you're dealing with older plumbing. You could end up with cracked pipes, costly repairs, or even a leak. There's also the issue of what's causing the clog in the first place. A snake might help with hair or minor obstructions, but if your drain is clogged due to grease, sludge, or mineral buildup, a snake won't stand a chance. These types of blockages need a professional solution, something like hydrojetting or a thorough drain cleaning by experts who know what to look for. What should you do instead? Call in the professionals. At Anthem Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, we've seen it all. Our technicians can quickly diagnose the issue and provide long-lasting solutions. We use tools and techniques designed to protect your pipes while fully clearing the blockage, so you don't have to worry about the problem coming back. Don't risk the DIY route when the stakes are this high. Get the job done right the first time. If you're dealing with a clogged drain, don't make it worse by trying to fix it yourself with a snake. Call Anthem Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing today. We'll get your drains running smoothly again with a safe, effective solution. Reach out to us at 760-895-2621 in Coachella Valley or 951-389-5151 in Riverside. Let us handle the tough stuff so you can have peace of mind.